Friends, welcome back to my new YouTube channel. Friends, today I am going to make a chasing game in Scratch. So first we are going to delete the Scratch sprite. I am going to make a chasing game on a baseball theme. So let's take baseball ball and a batter also. Let's take a backdrop on baseball 1. Then place your baseball where it want to be started. Come to baseball, click on motion blocks, go to this position X and Y. Then double click on it. It will show automatically updated. Go to block, and when green flag in bat sprite forever, we need 4 blocks on if then. So you can duplicate it. Flow 4 blocks of key pressed. So make it 4. Up, adjusted up, down, right, left. Go to motion blocks, change X by this represent how to move your sprite. Like 10 it will move rightwards and minus it will move leftward. Like rightward it will move rightwards and minus it will move leftward. Then we are coming to change y by 10. It will how up is it and minus how down, how to make it down. Okay friends, so it is working. Let's come to baseball. When green flag, click up of the, go to this position forever. If block, blade to 1 second to random position. When green flag, click forever. Take if then block, touching block, batter. Come here and create a score variable for all sprite. Score variable for all sprite. Set score variable to 0 when green flag, click after the block and change by 1 if touching batter. Okay, and we are going to choose some sounds like effects. You can take any effects which you want, like I am taking jump effect. You can take any if you want, your choice. Let's change jump effect and play jump effect until done after changing score by 1. And this is looking very fine, a nice game for beginners. But let's add something new. So let's add a timer. Yeah, we can add that. So let's add it. So let's add the timer. When green flag clicks forever, you can write the accurate timer like 0.1 second. And now create a timer variable for all sprite. And just set timer to 0. And when green flag click, and change timer by 0.1 where you have written in the seconds, so you have to write that same only. Done. Now come to batter. We have to make it to switch the costume after hitting it. Let's test it. So working nice. It is good. Let's come to batter sprite, and when green flag, click from the events blocks forever from the control blocks, if then block, touching block, baseball, change the next costume and change costume to battery. But this is not working when I checked it. So let's add something different. Wait for 0.1 second. Yeah, this is working well, but it is showing the same costume. I want to make it some different. So let's do something new. And let's remove these two blocks. Now it looks fine. Yeah, it is looking very good. And let's come to the looks block and say, after changing costume, say it is looking very fine. You can see there only. And come to the baseball. If it is don't show the time. Oh, I have made a mistake. Let's change the score by 1. I made a mistake, I think. So we will correct that also first of all. Yes, we have corrected timer. Then come, it is showing the time also. And let's add something new. Let's choose something new. Come to the batter sprite and write, say hit only. Say hit after changing costume. Now it look very fine, guys. Okay, very nice. Okay. So this is for today. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, share, comment, and please do like, share, subscribe. I'm saying once more again, please guys. Friends, you can name this by the Scratch project like Chasing Game Batter. This is very good, and you can change and you can save this to your PC or laptop, anything. And done. So thank you for today, friends.